Not because you're weak, not because you lost, but because you are tired of explaining yourself to someone who already decided not to understand you. You ever notice how the more you explain, the more the people misunderstand you? You try to defend yourself, you try to prove your intentions, you try to show your heart. But some people don't want clarity. They want control, they want traumas. And that's when you realize the silence is powerful. And as a small YouTuber with only 480 subscribers, I've heard things like, you won't grow, why are you even trying, this won't work. But instead of arguing, I just decided to do something. I would just stop talking and let my work speak. Note that not every opinion deserves a response. Not every misunderstanding deserves an explanation. Not every person deserves the access to your energy. Sometimes the strongest reply is silence. Sometimes the growth begins when you stop explaining and start evolving. So if you are tired, if you feel misheard, if you feel misunderstood, maybe it's time to just stop talking. Protect your peace, work in silence and glow differently, and let the success make the noise. And you